single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be a review video. This is a video on Spawake Whitening Triple Care Serum. I have tried a lot of products from the month of February, and so I have a lot of review videos lined up for you guys. So please be subscribed to my channel. If you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, do hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm going to review a product which is once again in an affordable range of serums available. I had reviewed one such affordable serum in the month of January. I'll link it up in the I button here. You can click on, and also it will be in the description box. You can watch it later also. So that is nothing but the UNLOC MIXIFY Serum. I have reviewed it in depth, and if you want to see whether that works for me or not, you can go ahead and watch that video later. So this is also one such serum which has been doing rounds in the social media platform, which is nothing but the Spawake Triple Care Serum. But the problem or the controversy here is it is the whitening serum. Let me put it out there that I am against whitening, and I do not believe like fair skin is the best skin here. I'm not promoting whitening over here, but this is something people wanted to know whether it works or not. So before getting into the video, let me put it out there that I have one more product from this Spawake range, that is their scrub face wash. I don't want to review that in this video and make it longer. I'm going to review it separately in another video which will be posted in my IGTV, which is the Instagram channel. If you're not following me on Instagram till now, please do follow me in the handle called BlushPout. You can follow me there, and I will be posting more Instagram videos again. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. What I expect in a serum is always tightening and brightening. It should give a glow to my face. That's it. This is the requirement for me from a serum. If you want to know whether this serum worked for me or not, please keep on watching. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. This product, the Spawake, have been in India for around 3 years right now, and it's still in India and people are consuming this product. But in initial phase, many people didn't know that this product existed. This is actually a Japanese company, and the main ingredient in the products of Spawake is sea minerals. If you don't know what sea minerals does to your skin is, it has a very good anti-aging properties and a good antioxidant. So all of their products have sea minerals in it. So let's get into the packaging now. It comes in a cardboard box like this, which is the outer covering, and it has all the details over here in the cardboard box itself. It does have the ingredients listed over here, and it is for all skin types and dermatologically tested product. So let's get into what's inside the box. So if you look inside the box, you have a plastic bottle which is very compact, and it comes with a pump. That's a very good thing. It makes you easier to use this product, and it is very travel friendly as you have a pump packaging with a cap to protect the nozzle. But here the issue is the plastic bottle is not transparent, so you can't see how much product is left inside. You get 45 ml of product in here, and it costs you rupees 399. That is why the serum is said to be in an affordable range. Manufacture and expiry date is under the bottle itself. So even if you lose this cardboard box, there is no problem because the manufacturing details and everything will be over here, but the ingredient list is not provided in the plastic bottle. So now let's get into the ingredient list provided here. They have highlighted the key ingredient list and what it does to your skin. So this is called a triple care serum because of these 3 ingredients in the ingredient list. So the first ingredient is the sea minerals. As I've already told you, this will help you in revitalizing and moisturizing your skin. The second ingredient is the algae extract. It will protect your skin from sun damage, that is because of the UV radiations. So the third ingredient here is the vitamin C and vitamin B3. These prevent the appearance of dark spots and skin darkening. I've seen many people have lot of pigmentation around your mouth area, nose area and all. So mostly this will help you lighten the pigmentation areas. So these are the 3 ingredients that makes a triple care serum. And when I went through the ingredient list present over here in the cardboard, I have seen it having methyl paraben. If you don't know what methyl paraben does, is nothing but it is used as a preservative in most of our cosmetic products. There are studies saying that this might cause breast cancer for women because of overusage, but it depends guys, because every item, every product we use has preservative in it. It is mostly methyl paraben. The damaging effect depends on how much they add to the product. So I believe that it has a very small amount of paraben over here, and also I strongly believe that the amount of parabens added to the product shows in the longevity of the product, that is the manufacturing and expiry date of the product. So now let's get into the claims. So what this product claims to do. The result part says that your skin feels silky smooth and supple with improved clarity, radiance and evenness of skin tone. So the thing over here is like it says whitening over here, but nowhere it has said that it helps in skin lightening. The next part is the direction of use. They have you have to take 3 to 4 pumps of the serum and gently massage this serum into your skin slowly. What I would suggest you is try to apply the serum first normally, not vigorously rubbing your skin. Normally lay down the serum into your skin and then tap it so that your skin will absorb the serum. This has shown a lot of good effects on me. Let's get into my experience with this product. So I've been using this product for almost 2.5 weeks now. So without any further suspense, let me put it out there that this serum is very good, and it's not like the other serums I have used. If you have seen my previous videos or the videos which I created last year in the month of till the month of January, you can see a bit of pigmentation over here for me. This actually faded that pigmentation a bit. What I used to do is I used to apply the serum daytime as well as the nighttime. That's why I have seen effects in around 2.5 weeks right now. So this serum is not like a very thicker consistency serum. It's actually a gel-like serum. Once you apply it onto your face, your skin just absorbs it, and after that, if you see, your skin will be very well moisturized and hydrated. My skin had a beautiful glow after applying that serum. You could have seen that in the demo itself. Not a sticky kind of serum, and it is hassle free. You can use it in the daytime also. If you are someone following me for a long time now, you know that I have a combination to oily skin. So this has really worked for me. It did not make my face oily at all. Right now, if you see, it's summer in Chennai over here. Already it is burning hot right now. I have tried this serum in the daytime in this climate also. It did not make my face oily. Some days I skip my moisturizer and just go with the serum and then with my base on. Not make my skin feel dry at all. It gives the perfect amount of moisture needed for your skin. It is for all skin types, even dry skin people can use it. The one thing which I saw is you need at least 4 to 5 pumps for one use from the serum, because it gets easily absorbed by your skin, so your skin needs a bit more serum for covering the face. So serum is not having any color or something, it is not heavily fragranced. Also it has a very tiny amount of fragrance that will go off in just few seconds after application. And first of all, this product has no silicone in it. Many serums in the market which comes under the affordable range has silicone in it to give that smoothing effect for you, but this product does not have silicone, and it does make my skin moisturized and supple. It did give me some radiance, and also it did even out my skin tone, so it does what it claims. These are the pros, and I do not have any cons for the serum. I would suggest you to go ahead and try the serum if you want to try it. These are available on Nykaa and also on other websites like Amazon. Product link will be given down below in the description box. You can click on it and directly purchase if you want to. So I hope you like this video, and I hope this video has been informative enough for you to decide whether you can buy this product or not. You can follow me on my social media platforms, which will be over here, and it's just BlushPout. See you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.